I'm going to show you how to quickly transform data using the TI-84. So first of all, the question that I had has data from weight of a fish, or I'm sorry, length of a fish in L1 and weight of the fish in L2. So I've already typed this data in. If I look at the scatter plot, second y equals, turn plot 1 on, got a scatter plot, x is L1, y is L2, good. So now if I go to zoom 9, you can see that I definitely have curved data here. So what the question asks me to do is to graph length cubed versus weight. So if I go back to my lists, I want to cube all of the values in L1. So if I go over to L3, I can say I want L1, which is second one, cubed, and it will cube all of those values for me. So my length cubed is in L3, and I want that to be my x values. And then the weight of the fish is in L2, and I want that to be my y values. So if I go back to second y equals, I want to change this so that my x list is L3, which is second 3, and I'm going to leave my y list as L2. So now, if I go zoom 9, I have data that is approximately linear. So now I can find my line of best fit for this data. So if I clear out of here, I go to Stat, Calc, number 8. Again, I want to make sure that my x values use L3, my y values are in L2. If you want to store the equation, you can do that. You go to vars, yvars, function y1. Okay, I have my line of best fit there. And if I go to y equals, my equation is stored in y equals. I can go to the graph and see my line of best fit that goes through the scatter plot of my transformed data. You just need to remember that since we transformed the data, my equation is not length and weight. I'm using length cubed as my x value and weight as my y value.